8-Man After. Megaman Star Force Shooting Star Rockman. Barom One. Vividred Operation. Rising X Rydeen. Samurai Flamenco Another Days. I couldn't become a hero, so I reluctantly decided to get a job. Heroman. Witchblade. Cyborg 9 Gods War. Dokkoida. Cardcaptor Sakura. Tiger and Bunny. Sailor Moon. Astro Boy. Ultraman. Zetman. My Hero Academia Vigilantes. My Hero Academia. One Punch Man.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.